Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have my Macy's beauty box. You get this on Macys.com. It's like with tax $15.90 a month. This is a monthly box, mainly samples. Sometimes we get a bonus. That could be a full size. Last month was okay. I don't know about this month, but I wanted to share. Today I'm wearing the Huda Beauty lip that came in this Chic Beauty box. Here's the shade. I mean, it is brown, but when it mixes with your lip tone, like, I don't think this is overly brown. Like, I have some browns. I think Fenty, I have a brown one that I mix because it's too brown for me. Maybe a deeper skin tone, it might look better. But I think when you're a little bit more on the fair side, then that's just like with reds. That's all you see is your lips then. And to me, you know, blend them in, but it's very comfortable. It's, has good lasting power, but I like Huda Beauty. So let's get it and see what I think of this month. Like I said, last month was, it was okay. It was nothing spectacular, like best box I've ever received, any of that kind of stuff, but still not a bad box. You should get a little card here. This is Spring Reset Skincare Edition. And I have $10 off my next $40 beauty purchase. And I do try to use them. Comes packaged like this. And I said this a couple times. I wouldn't want to be the one packaging all this up and folding it nice. But always nice presentation. So let's, oops. So we have some decent products. From Diana Madison Beauty, we have the Glow Factor Rose Hip Seed Oil Hydrating Face Sheet Mask right here. These are worth a few dollars. I think her brand is a little bit more pricey, if I'm not mistaken, from the past. Product from Kors is the Foaming Cream Cleanser. Decent size. So that's good. And from Kopari, a Golden Aura Body Oil. Kopari is a very good brand. I guess you guys can see in there the glitter. Not always my favorite. And this is, I guess, Frey Glow Me Plus Tinted Moisturizer. Small little sample. Probably, if you're going to use this, broad spectrum SPF 30, maybe one use. That's probably about it on that. And then we have from Buddha, we have the Tea Tree Mask Scrub. It's a clay mask. I'm not generally a fan of the clay mask. Dries my skin out horribly. And I already have Sahara-like dry skin. So usually I give these away. I've kept a few. I think there's one that I can use. It's either a pink or a purple mask. It doesn't seem as harsh, but some of these, like, I don't think I can use this brand. I've tried this before. They're just, I mean, they work wonderfully. Even if you're like a little oily in T-zone, just put it in your T-zone. I just find, I mean, it does pull all the impurities out of your pores. It helps reduce pore size, all that good stuff. I just can't tolerate the severe dryness afterwards. And no matter how much I put on moisturizer-wise or face oils or anything like that, my skin is so dry then. So this I'll probably share. Mediocre box. Is definitely all skincare. There's no makeup. But, and that's fine. I don't mind getting an all skincare box. I'm interested to try this. The Tinted Moisturizer. And this is light medium. It might be okay. Especially with the nicer weather coming whenever we get there, because it's freezing today. That's always, I prefer sometimes tinted moisturizers in the summertime. It's hot and humid. It's not going to melt off your face. And I'm not always, like, I like Kopari, and this I might try, but I don't like when there's glitter and stuff like that in it. I would just rather have it be just a regular body oil. The gold has no benefits, and this has hyaluronic acid in it. It's probably very nice. I could use it for elbows, knees, heels on my feet, put it after shower on my legs, or, I mean, I guess after a shower in the summer, you have maybe a little bit of a tan, been out in the sun a little bit, and you got a tiny little bit of color. Always use your SPF. Maybe to put, you know, after, like if you're going out in the evening, put a little bit of that on with the shimmer. You know, it's not a ton, so I don't think it'll go to waste. So thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Let me know in the comments down below. What are your thoughts? The last, like this box and the month before were just mediocre, but they've been on point and been pretty good. So, you know, I guess they're entitled to a month or two where it might not be the best, but for $15, and I think I said $15.90 is what I pay in total after tax. I still don't think it's a bad box to get. It's a great way to start. If you want to dab your feet into subscription boxes and just see, you know, you don't want to, you know, to me, this is comparable to IPSY Glam Bag. You get the same amount of products. I find brands are sometimes pretty comparable, but sometimes in Macy's you get a little better brands than sometimes in IPSY, but not always. So let me know your thoughts on that and enjoy your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.